Welcome to another episode of Racing to Learn. We're a nonprofit that gets kids excited about math and science. But we're doing a very interesting and in high demand unboxing for you today. We're taking a look at the Macbook Neo. Actually, I guess I shouldn't have taken that lid off first. Now, these are going to be in high demand. They already are in high demand. Apple has raised the price back in June on these. They were $599. Now they are $699. Unfortunately, we did not beat that price raise. So we did get a discount though. We have a friend that works at Apple that we went through. Thank you, Jeremy. Jeremy helped us get this for about $100 off. You can get it for $100 off if you go through the Apple education store, but there are certain requirements for that, so make sure to head over there. Usually if you're just K through 12, unless you're an educator, you're not going to apply, but if you're going to college or an institution of higher education, or if you're faculty, you can apply for that education discount, which is about $100 off this as well. So here we go. We went for the base model here, so we just need another computer, a laptop, here at Racing to Learn. So this is the standard or the base model with 8 gigabytes, 250 gig storage. It's the 13-inch MacBook Neo, and I'm just going to read off of this here, but you can get the stats for yourself as well. It's a 6-core CPU, 5-core GPU with a 13-inch diagonal Retina display. So that's 2408 by 1506 pixels, which is really nice. 2 USB-C ports, a headphone jack. I won't read the rest. So it does include a Mac USB-C power adapter, not a Mac one, or rather, I guess this is a Mac. But anyways, it is smaller than your average MacBook power adapter. So anyways, let's go ahead and open this up. So of course you got the usual packaging that is very Apple. A little paper sleeve here. I always appreciate the packaging designers over at Apple. You'll see me hit my glasses every 3 minutes or so, because that is the limit on these Metas. So super nice finish here. Yeah, you know, we were early adopters of the iPad Pro, and you know that was supposed to replace laptops, but didn't really work. So I think this was Apple's new answer. This is about half the price that we paid for our iPad Pro. So super good deal. They raised the price due to RAM constraints. So for those of you unfamiliar, there was what they call Ramageddon, and that was the global RAM shortage due to the AI data center build out. So that's why you can thank Apple for raising the price due to global RAM demand, and that led to the skyrocketing of stocks like Micron, the whole Korean stock market, because of the biggest suppliers, SK Hynix and Samsung, of global RAM. So anyways, that trickled down to even your laptop devices. But really beautiful product here, you know, actually about the size of an iPad. We could really never use our iPad Pro without a keyboard, because you know, you really need to type some stuff out sometimes. So this is the iPad Neo, and basically it is an iPad with, did I say iPad? MacBook Neo. It's basically an iPad with a built-in keyboard, and you can further tell by the accessories here. So usual Apple booklet here. They don't give you stickers anymore. No more stickers. All right, but not having to buy an extra keyboard and a trackpad is a really nice feature versus an iPad. You know, this is kind of a no-brainer, right? When it comes to a laptop for school, the MacBook Neo, you know, super durable. Apple tests each of its components for a lot longer than their competitors, right? Meaning it has to survive certain duty cycles, right? Usage for the keys, for all the electronic components. One of my friends is an electrical engineer for Apple, and he sources all the components, and yeah, basically their suppliers are held to a much higher standard than the competition. That's why your iPhone usually lasts a lot longer than your Android device, right? I went from a Apple iPhone 6s to a 13 Pro Max. So that basically lasted me 7 years, and we're still filming on this 13 Pro Max, and probably not going to upgrade it anytime soon unless we have to. So, you know, we're basically getting 7 years out of an iPhone versus 2 or 3 out of an Android. We have some of those too. So, anyways, just to go through some of the features here. Again, you've got 2 USB-C connectors, both on the left-hand side. Wish they would have put one on the right. You know, I don't even know what this slot is for. What's that slot for? Oh, the speakers. Okay, so headphones and then speaker. So yeah, probably for cost reasons, they put them on the same size here, or same side. What else? Yeah, pretty much, I think they have a different OS on this, too. I don't think it's the full-blown OS. You'll have to correct me if I'm wrong here. They do give you a reason why this is unwrapped is we had an overeager IT member that dug straight into this. So this is your higher than average quality USB-C cable, too. You know, all these are different. I shouldn't say all these. A lot of them are different. Your USB-C cables may not be able to handle power and data requirements. This one has a little kink in it already. Maybe we'll save this for higher data, higher power usage, because they're not all created equally, and usually Apple's going to give you the best of the best there. Really small power supply. This is basically what I think we got this with one of our last iPhones or iPads that actually gave you one of these power bricks. I can't even see here, so I'm gonna have to. My eyesight is horrible now. Okay, let's see here. It's a 2305, so it can go 5 volts, 3 amps, or 9 volts at 2.2 amps. So what wattage is this? Basically 18 watt. It's made by Flextronics, but yeah, basically an 18 watt power brick here that they give with the device, and that's enough to charge it. So essentially, yeah, this is a great product release offering. You know, a 13-inch MacBook Pro Neo, the replacement for, I shouldn't say the replacement, a great replacement. Instead of getting an iPad, getting something that you can actually get some work done on here. MacBook Neo, highly recommend it. Again, $699 now, but you can maybe get it for $599 if you're if you've got a friend that works at Apple, or if you qualify for the Apple Education Store. So thanks again for watching. Let us know what you guys think in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe, please. Everything helps. Again, we're a nonprofit that gets kids excited about math and science, and technology is part of this. So catch you in the next episode. Thank you.